Hi everybody, I am here again. So in that video I will record in English again to train my English. So in that video what I will show to you will how to avoid usage of require us and include in PHP to load class. We will use a PHP resource that let us load every class in a dynamic way. So when you create a new class, you just can use it without requiring that class in the file that you need to use. So let's open code editor. I will create here a new file, index.php. Oops, let's rename it. In that file, let's use the PHP, open the PHP tag, PHP, and we will use something that is called SPL Autoload register. This function, what it receives is another function, the receiver function. In that function, what the first parameter that we receive in this function is the class name, and here, just to test, I will print that class name to show you how it works. And let me put a die to this code does return an error. The code will really, I want to really kill this process here. So now I will create an object of an existent class. So by example core, I will create a variable core that will receive a new core. This class doesn't exist, we just have here an index.php file, and now I will run this code. I will create a server using the PHP built-in server, so localhost 18,000, it's good. I will come here to my browser, and what they have here is I try to create a sorry, I'm trying to create a new object using the class core, but I didn't have this class. By example, if I remove here, I will get an error in my page. My page doesn't work, and if I come here to my terminal, I can see that class core not found. So what we will do is, with this function, we can search our class. By example, I show here it's the class name that we have here in this parameter as the class name that we are trying to create a new object. So what you can do is, now I will create here a new class with this class core. So let's create a core.php, and here I will put just a simple class, just to try. Oops, let's open the PHP tag. Okay, and here I have the class name, so I can manipulate. I can use this string to do everything that I want. By example, if I have my PHP file name, if lowercase, oops, sorry, not bar, it's core. If I have my file name in lowercase, I can use the lowercase, by example, str2 lower in my class name, and this I will concat with .php, and how you can see here, we will have the file name. So I will put here file name, here file name to print and die our code to don't get an error. So yeah, we have the file name. Now the only thing that we need to do is to require this file. Let's use require us to just require one time and file name, and let's put some simple method here like print, just a simple function print, just to check if this is really working. It is working. So now if I come here and use car and print, I can get it is working. Yeah, it is working. Very nice. So how you can see, I haven't added any requires or any include or any require in my index file. I just created one that what we will do every time that I am creating a new object that with an unexistent class. The SPL autoload register will call that function that I pass here as a parameter, and that function will receive the class name that I am trying to create a new object and I can manipulate this class name to require the file that I will need. So that is it. Nothing more by now. If you have any doubt or any comment, please give me a comment here in YouTube, and thank you so much. Bye.